Hey everybody, it is John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here, and you've tuned in to the JMOR Reviews channel. I have a Tzumis LED multicolor light bar, customizable settings, atmospheric RGB, which is the red, green, blue glow, which you probably know from computers. They've had that for quite a few years. Remote and app controlled. App controls multiple light bars, so I guess if one is not enough for you, you can place these all around your home. It's supposedly here to enhance your home's atmosphere with a personalized lighting experience, fully customizable via remote and mobile app. It's supposed to transform your space with a soft RGB glow in the color of your choice. It's a horizontal vertical stand, full RGB color spectrum, control with the app and the remote. And of course it works on the Apple Store and Google Play, so obviously your Android devices and your Apple devices. So we have tape on here, but it looks like this tape is going to be the kind that you want to really scream over. So I'm going to take my key, open that one up there, and it looks like I've got the same thing to the side. I wish they would have made this a little easier. It's not terrible, but I don't think they need this much tape on it. All right, so let's see what we got here, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So you have a light, you have a little stand. It looks like you just kind of put the stand together like that. You have a little remote. Comes with a little tiny book. You better not blink or you're going to probably miss. I mean, it's really miniature. You could change the LED colors, 16 colors. It has 6 flash transition effects, 7 strobe transition effects. You don't want that too much, you'll get a headache. And then it has 8 fade transmission effects and 9 smooth transmission effects. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just plug this in. So it uses a standard USB. So I'm just going to take off the wire here and plug it in. And it looks like you can see that it's lighting up already. Pretty easy. All right, let's get our phone. And so they made it pretty easy, ladies and gentlemen. They gave you a barcode. So all you have to do is go to your phone, go to your camera or your QR app, and once you've done that, you'll see that it says open the short transfer in Safari. I'll say okay. I open that up, and then it says download on the App Store or get it on Google Play. Pretty easy. I'm going to say download on the App Store. And there it is, Tzumi LED. You can also find it by typing it in the store as well. I'll say get. I do notice from this that it has 427 ratings to date. It has a 3-star rating and it's only a 2.7. That doesn't make me feel very good. Let me turn off the light so you guys can see this a little better. So I can make it red, I can make it green, I can make it blue, I can make it white, orange, there's a lighter shade of green, okay, or like a teal. Then we have a purple. These colors don't really match what the actual colors are. Then we have another color here, which looks like a teal. And that one actually matches. Then we have a purple, okay. Yeah, the orange one doesn't really match though. Then there's another orange below it, and that doesn't really match. It's more like a green. Then we have a blue. Then we have another shade of purple. Then we have a yellow. The yellow really doesn't match. It's more like a green. It's not even close to the picture that's on the remote. Then I have a pink. Now I'm not sure if you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is purple, okay? That's the button I pressed. Right there, I pressed pink. Now just so you don't think I'm crazy, I'm gonna press red right now, okay? So red is red. If I push the other button below it, that's supposed to be orange. I don't know about you, but that orange doesn't match. When I touch yellow, it comes up green. So when I hit the flash button, ladies and gentlemen, you would think you hit the flash button to stop it, right? You don't. You actually hit the red or the color to stop it. So if I flash it, let's say green, and I want to stop green, and I hit, let's say, red, it will just go to that color. So I wish that you would just be able to hit flash and unflash. That's the way I would like to see it. It also has a strobe. Watch your eyes on this. Here's the strobe. A little bit faster of a flash. And if I go to the strobe, alright, the strobe has a little more of up and down motion on it. It also has a fade button here. I wasn't really expecting it to fade from multiple colors. I was expecting it to just keep fading in and out. It also has something called smooth. Let's look at smooth. So it's changing the colors, but it's doing it in more of a slower fashion. Not crazy about this. Let's take a look at the app, shall we? I'll open up the app. So I have green, I have red, I have blue, I have purple, I have yellow. That is not yellow, ladies and gentlemen. That is green. White, that's not white. Then we have classics. They're supposed to be yellow. That's not yellow. It's like a lime green. That's not white. It's like a blue. Then I have kind of like a very lightish blue, and it's coming up much darker than that. Then I have a red. Well, the red seems to work. The red, the green, and the blue seem to work. The other ones really don't. I also can take this, there's a little spot here, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a little bar. And I actually can make this line here. I can make it brighter, or I can make it, and it looks like that line doesn't really work. I can also take the spot in the center and change my variant so I can make it something else. And it does a horrible job at matching the colors. You have another option on here for style. You can choose music, so you can access your music library. And when you access your music library, it's going to basically sync with that. I can use my mic, and I could say, testing, 1, 2, check, check. Testing, 1, 2, check, check. All right, that's pretty useless. And then you also have a schedule ability. So you can schedule when it comes on, the time, the repeat. It has a nice look to it. But again, only the red, the blue, and the green seem to work. That's just horrible. All right. Yes, it does work. Yes, it was very easy to set up. So I can't give it a 0. But I'm going to give it a 2. Because I think there's much better technology out there. I've used LEDs before. And again, this product was not that expensive. I think it was like under 20 bucks. So I have to say, you really do get what you pay for. And this product is definitely being returned. It's really just a play toy that can't seem to even match close to what the colors are, except for the red, green, and the blue. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. It gives me great pride, great pleasure, and a great honor to be here with you on the JMOR Reviews channel. And listen, if you have a product that you'd like us to unbox here, just go to our website, jmor.com. Let us know about the product. We'll tell you where to send it, prepaid, and you'll have to donate it to us. And remember, you can't pay us to tell us what you want us to say about the product. If you're trying to send us a lemon, don't expect me to make it into lemonade. We're going to tell people the truth about the product. So if you have one, reach out to us. I would love to explore it, unbox it, and review it. I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. And remember, go to any one of our videos, and below these videos, you can always go ahead and click on that link that says keep our content free. And that allows you to make $1 or more of a donation once or on a regular basis. You know I will see you real soon right here on any of the JMOR channels, the Envision channels, or the John C. Morley Serial Entrepreneur channel, or I might see you when I stream out to millions of people on LinkedIn. Either way, I look forward to seeing you on whatever format and whatever channel you choose to watch me on, so I can bring you the content that is most interesting to you. Have a great rest of your day.